In the last instance, you find this in Acts 19 again. And when Paul had laid his hands on them, the Holy Spirit came on them, and they spoke with tongues and they prophesied. Nothing different. Nothing new. Understandable languages. Listen to Paul himself on this subject in the letter to the Corinthians. He says, 1 Corinthians 14:9, so likewise you, except you utter by the tongue words easy to be understood, how shall it be known what is spoken? For you shall speak into the air. It's Paul himself. He says, yet in the church I'd rather speak 5 words with my understanding, that by my voice I might teach others also, than 10,000 words in an unknown tongue. He's quite clear on this, isn't he? If therefore the whole church be come together into one place, and all speak with tongues, and there come in those that are unlearned or unbelievers, will they not say that you are mad? Have you ever read that?